Hi, it's Tom here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Kilvert Close. Kilvert Close is located in St Anne's and it's just a small little quiet cul-de-sac off Harden Hewish Road. This property is 3 bedrooms, it's end of terrace, and it has a really good sized rear garden, including railing access for parking, extensions, garages. There's loads of stuff you can do with this place. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in viewing this lovely house, or equally if you like your own property valued, please feel free to get in contact using the details below. Many thanks.